I'm just going to talk about the SIM cards that we've purchased for our data. Now, starting with Germany. Germany was a nightmare. Mobile coverage in Germany was really, really poor everywhere. But that said, if you walk into a coffee shop or a public area, then Wi-Fi, VLAN as they called it, was freely available, boom, straight in, no passwords or anything, so that was good. But your mobile data on your phone was not good at all. So I thought we'll purchase a SIM card. Yeah, okay, went into Lidl, purchased a SIM card, €9, seemed very easy. However, you have to register it. That's where the problems began. Trying to register it, you needed a German address, not German. So I said to the guy in the post office, went to the post office to register it. He said, you need a German address. I said, well, I'm in a motorhome. I haven't got a German address. I said, I can give you the campsite address. He said, well, I still need to prove you live there. And I said, well, I'm not living there, I'm in a motorhome, travelling around. So there was a way of doing it online somehow, some sort of video call, but the guy said, no, he says, it's just the way it is in Germany. You have to prove your identity. So it used to be easy, just buy a SIM card, bang it into your unlocked phone, away you go. Not simple anymore. So Slovenia, very simple. Went into a Holafly store. They're like an Audi, they've got the same symbol. $1.99 for the card. So you download, via the QR code, you download the app. You put the card into an unlocked phone, an unlocked device. It registers straight away as soon as you start using it. And you go to the app and you buy your package. So for €10, we purchased 100 gigabytes of data, unlimited calls and text. But I don't want it for the calls and the text. I just want it for data only. So for 100 gigabyte, €10, perfect. Croatia, dead simple. This is the first time I've actually seen what is called a tourist SIM card anywhere we travelled. I know lots of people say, oh, just go and buy a tourist SIM card. But you ask for a tourist SIM card, people say, oh, what was a tourist SIM card? But this A1 is actually a tourist SIM card. Dead easy. You go to one of the little TSAC kiosks, $7.99 or $7.90, $7.99, something like that. 10 days, unlimited data. And it is unlimited. 4G plus, perfect. What we did try in Germany, and we got frustrated with the data. My wife has an iPhone. I've got an old Samsung S10, so it won't take an eSIM. My wife's Apple will have an eSIM. I think most modern phones now, later versions, have the capability of having an eSIM. So basically, it's an electronic SIM that you purchase. They'll send you, whichever company you use, they'll send you a QR code. Scan the QR code and boom, you've got an eSIM. However, be careful. We purchased a Holafly one, and my wife purchased a Holafly, and we thought we'd just use it for one day, see how it works. Yeah, okay, we had a few installation problems to start with, but that was sorted out, because the problem is you get a QR code. So how do you scan the QR code from the email of the device you got? How do we do that? Simply what you do is when you open up, you've got the QR code, you take a picture of it. However you take a picture on your iPhone, you take a picture. When you go to your iPhone gallery, you simply open up that picture. On an iPhone, you just press and hold the QR and it comes up, install eSIM. On a Samsung phone, you have to do the same thing, but you've got a Google Lens. Google Lens, it recognises the QR code, install eSIM, and that installs the eSIM onto your phone. So my wife's phone, yeah, works straight away. It's obviously relying, and they've obviously got contracts with all the local network providers, so you're still relying on a good network connection at the end of the day. But it works straight out of the box. However, unlimited. Holafly say we're unlimited data. They're not unlimited data. It's a very clever play on words. What it actually means is you will never not have data. So you always have access to data. It's not unlimited. I'm not certain that any eSIM providers actually provide unlimited data. So with the Holafly, it worked, as I say, it worked straight away. Started watching Discovery Plus, trying to catch up on the Giro cycling. Within 2 minutes, boom, locked out, completely locked out. It also throttles the usage. After 2 or 3 gigabytes of data, it throttles the download speeds. So a physical SIM, for me, has worked the best. So Slovenia, go to Holafly, dead simple. Croatia, even simpler, the A1 tourist SIM. Perfect. So hopefully that's helped you. Germany was certainly an eye-opener for us as far as mobile data goes. For a modern country, couldn't believe it. So there we are. Slovenia, Hofer, Croatia. Go to a TSAC, little kiosk, A1 tourist sim. Catch you later.